pot. That was from my plants to blueberries. So probably this time I'll experiment it with the big pot, or I'll see. I hope it's coming won't die on me until I. Well, actually, the purpose of the seaweed solution with water, this blueberries to kind of strong or can make some pure roots later on. I hope. Cheers. Ay, nandito na tayo sa loob. Nanonood pala ng TV, guys. Alright guys, since my partner want to watch movie, so I'm just leave it to you guys. Salamat sa other one here. I think I'm gonna make some kind of cake. I was going to make cake like I got some mango here. I'll show you guys. Oh, by the way, our chocos, look. What's that chocos in Tagalog? I forgot what's chocos. I forgot, sorry. Help me guys, ano ito? Ano itong klase ng Bee Gees na to? Sayote, yeah. Choco, sayote. We buy that 2 days ago, but look at that now. Since they are matured, and once this one sprouted, you can plant this in your ground or even your pot and then make some trellis or kind of some kind of a, what is that? Some kind of a, what's that? Like fence, when you make fence, or ano ba yung kodal in Tagalog? Kalimutan ko guys. Yung lagyan mo siya ng trellis or kagaya ng mga kahoy or something para mag-crawl siya. Even ilagay mo siya sa pot, big pot, it will grow. And then you do like arch or in a kawayan or bamboo, anything na trellis para lang siya may magapangan. At saka lalago yun siya. Kasi gusto niya talaga eh. So I have this in the ground before, but it died because too much wet and I didn't look after them, I guess. So now this time I hope they will grow. But I won't gonna put this right now because once I put this now in too much wet and they don't have roots yet here in the bottom here, they will gone. They will rot up quickly. Welcome, idol. May ginagawa rin ako sa PC na sa harap ko lang ang cellphone. Salamat, idol ha. Idol Rick. Idol Rick Yang. Yan guys, kanina gumawa. Kanina, gabi pala. Sorry, it was last night. Gumawa kami ng dried, pakita ko ha. I don't know how many papaya that we make this one. A lot. And look, we already ate it. Look at the papaya, guys. We dried them, you know. It's really good. And they are expensive if they are dried fruits. Tingnan yung cheese whiz, binili nung last week lang dumating. Tingnan mo. Dalawa kami na ubos, tatlo. Ngayon pang laman konti. At yung ilagay ko siya sa somewhere. Para hindi naman siya. Diyan muna kayo lang. Hanapin ko siya ng mga lalagyan. Dito na. Total dates naman ito. Huwag na hugasin. Meron tayong mango. I think I'm going to make this, because meron tayong Graham, no? Chocolate, so I think chocolate yung flavor ng Graham, hindi plain. Okay na siguro kaya. Dried